Okay, we are at Blizzard Beach. It is closing for the season, so let's go enjoy one last day until it reopens. Who knows when that will be. So, Blizzard Beach for the day! Yay! Woo! All right, we made it in, or made it to the gate.
You said that last time.
How exciting! Yeah, we're gonna go. All right, safety first. We need sunblock. All right, everyone's ready. Let's go. Oh, sunblock. Okay, we enjoyed the wave pool for a little bit. Now heading to the kids area.
Mama,
Yes.
it's snowing.
Yeah, let's go. It's snowing. It's snowing. So this is usually at the splash pad area. Anna and Elsa. Time. Little showers too to wash off. And then you can't miss the little beach area. As soon as you enter the area, they also have life jackets. This is pretty cool. It's a nice little area for the kiddos to play, enjoy. And usually the splash pads are open, but it looks like it's turned off right now. In and out, just like